Hello. This is G from AI for Pinoys, and I'm going to be doing like an app review of the app that everyone knows and everyone uses. So ChatGPT, no. So bakit ko ginagawa tong review na to? I think I just wanted to share it to the community that I have in AI for Pinoys of my personal use of ChatGPT, no. So I've been a ChatGPT user since 2022, I think 2022, 2023. But I use the API o yung para mag-connect ka sa mga workflows o para mag-connect ka sa mga pag-code. At the same time, ginagamit ko siya as a business tool, no? Because mabilis siya gumawa ng content and magaling siya mag-business strategize, no? So, iisa-isayin natin why. So, as you can see, this is the interface of ChatGPT. Familiar naman kayo dyan. You have the chat interface in the middle. On the left side, you can create a new chat. You can search your old chats. You have a library of all your images. The cool thing about ChatGPT lang is that it has GPTs or people who created custom chat GPTs na pwede mo access with different personalities. Like for example, in my case, si Hormozy, who's very good at marketing. No? And another cool thing that other LLMs are starting to develop is yung projects. So you can actually create projects where you can have certain conversations or certain discussions na dun lang talaga. Very specific to that particular topic lang siya. No? As you can see, nag-downgrade ako, dati upgrade din yan. So nag-downgrade ako recently lang for another LLM. No? One of the things that I like about ChatGPT, yung plus side talaga niyan, I would say, is the brain. No? I think it's one of the coding, yung ChatGPT 5 is one of the smartest in so far out there. Then compared to others, so matalino siya, halima pa rin mag-solve ng math, kaya niya gumawa ng poems, using Adobe pa lang as your reference, ganyan, no? And the second one is yung voice, no? I think so far walang tatalo sa voice niya, no? I think one of the most conversational sounding na AI voice, in my opinion lang, no? Kaya kung gusto mo siyang kausapin, pag nagmumuni-muni ka, nag-MM ka dyan, oh yan, so pwede mo siyang usapin on one-on-one pag gusto mo man therapist, no? The only thing at the downside that I don't like about ChatGPT is since meron na siyang capability for search, no? So you can actually add deep search or deep research or web search there. So the only thing I don't like is it connects to the Bing. Bing is one of the search engines versus Google search. No, personally, it's a Microsoft product. Medyo outdated. I'm speaking on my experience. So sa akin kasi since everyone uses Google search and mas madaming data points, so mas madaming tools or gamit si Google na integrated, mas maganda yung search engine na yun, in my opinion. But there are many cool things that pwede mo na siyang gawin with ChatGPT. You can connect it to your Google Drive. You have deep research. You can do shopping within ChatGPT. Madami silang ino-offer right now. No? So I think in a way, okay rin siya. So how much is ChatGPT? No? So I've been paying $20 a month before the taxes. Ngayon may tax na ngayon. So 1,000, lumalabas parang 1,250 pesos na siya ngayon. So is it worth it to get if you want to do a paid version? I think yes naman, no? Kasi nga, reliable siya, good pa rin siya. Depende lang sa use case, iba-iba yung tao. So kung gusto mo ng content creation, I think yun pa rin isa sa mga magaling si ChatGPT. Another one is I think magaling rin naman siya on business strategies and very conversational yung approach niya when it discusses things with you, no? So those are the pluses na I see that you can use ChatGPT. The downside, I think for the $20 sa akin lang, is you can actually get another LLM, another large language model. Now you can also pay the same amount but have access to different tools. No? So that I can share in another app review video. No? So yun lang naman. So okay siya, worth it naman to explore. I think worth it to try it out. If you are able to pay $20 a month or 1,200 pesos a month, go ahead and explore it. Madali naman mag-upgrade at mag-downgrade. No? So just go ahead and check it out. So yun na po. See you again for the next app review.